to breathe it in, a space so clear where I begin. The path is wide, the way is clear. I feel the pull that keeps me near. Through steady steps I move along. I let the flow renew my song. Through every rise the road will show, lasting place where I can grow.